Weeks after a levee break forced the Monterey County community of Pajaro to evacuate, residents are trying to put their lives back together. There's still no water or sewer service, and the closure of a middle school means students are taking classes at an entirely different school. KTVU's Mark Sayer is live in Pajaro tonight with the progress. Mark.
Well, Greg, this is Salinas Road behind me. It is open now finally after 2 weeks, but don't let this sense of normalcy deceive you. This town is still very much hurting and has a very long road ahead. Here at Pajao Middle School, what used to be a vibrant campus is now an emergency resource center. A steady stream of displaced residents are coming through here to get cases of water, bags of hygiene and household supplies, and to use restrooms with showers.
It's been super helpful just because most of the people here didn't know what to do next, especially by themselves.
Fernando Magallon was one of the 3,000 residents here that were evacuated in the middle of the night 2 weeks ago when the levee protecting the town from the Pajaro River burst. As the front loaders and the crews work to clean up all of the damage to local businesses and homes, Magallon says all of the resources here are critical.
After we left, we had no other option other than to bounce from hotel to hotel. Do more hours to make ends meet because, all our stuff is here. It's all we've ever known, really.
So it's sunken in. Normally it's really wonderful, but you can't.
On Friday, State School Superintendent Thurmond toured the Pajaro Middle School to see the flooding damage firsthand. He says the state is going to do all it can to get this school back open, including pressuring insurance carriers and federal representatives to clear the way for additional funding to help with cleanup efforts.
It's heartbreaking to know that people have lost homes, and we will work with the agencies that provide support.
The Pajaro Valley School District estimates that about 1,600 students in all were impacted by the floods, about 450 of them here at Pajaro Middle School. About 90% of those students are now back in classes at a different middle school campus in Watsonville. All of the displaced students assembled in the gym when Thurmond came to visit. Pajaro Middle School student Jasmine Santiago met Thurmond and says the sudden transition to a different campus has been jarring.
Very different. I'm not used to it. It's just doesn't feel it. I want to go back to my school.
Now, at this point, there is no firm estimate as to when the water and the sewer service here will be restored. Tomorrow marks the beginning of the third week since that levee break, so there has been a lot of suffering here and a lot more rebuilding work to do in the weeks and likely months ahead. Reporting live from Pajaro in Monterey County, I'm Mark Sayer, KTVU Fox 2 News.
Thank you, Mark.